Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best magnet board is probably one of the most engaging and educational toys you can get for your little one. These boards are fantastic tools for sparking creativity, enhancing fine motor skills, and introducing colors and shapes in a fun way. In this video, we'll dive into the world of magnet boards designed specifically for toddlers aged 1 to 3, exploring their benefits and key features. Number 5. Melissa and Doug Wooden Animal Magnets. Introducing a set of 20 charming animal magnets. These magnets are perfect for little hands to play with and explore. They're ideal for both home and travel. This set is crafted with a mix of wood materials, including plywood and solid wood. The wooden storage case keeps everything organized. It's built to last and safe for your child. These magnets are designed to develop fine motor skills and encourage storytelling. Kids can sort, group, and create their own animal adventures. It's a great way to learn through play. Suitable for toddlers and preschoolers aged 2 to 5. This set provides hands-on, screen-free fun. It's a wonderful gift for any occasion. The product is made with FSC-certified materials, supporting responsible forestry. You can feel good knowing that you're choosing an environmentally conscious product. This is a great choice for your child and the planet. The set comes in a wooden storage case, measuring 8H x 5.5 L x 2W. It makes it easy to keep the magnets organized and ready for play. This also makes it easy to transport the magnets. What we like. This set of animal magnets is perfect for little hands. It comes with a convenient storage case, making it ideal for travel or keeping things tidy. If you are looking for a classic toy that encourages imaginative play and helps develop fine motor skills, this is a great choice. It's perfect for toddlers aged 2 to 5. What people say. These magnets are well made with vibrant colors and clear images, making them visually appealing for both kids and adults. They stick well to our fridge and other magnetic surfaces, ensuring they stay put during playtime. One of the standout features of these magnets is their durability. They are made from high-quality materials that can withstand rough play and even occasional drops without breaking or chipping. Number 4. SGILE 16 by 13 inches Magnetic Drawing Board. This drawing board offers a generous 16 by 13 inch area, perfect for young artists. It gives them plenty of space to bring their creative ideas to life with vivid and smooth lines. The included stamps are magnetized, so they stay attached to the board. This means no more lost stamps, making it convenient for use at home or on the go. It's an ideal gift for preschoolers, allowing them to express themselves through drawings. They can also practice letters and numbers with this fun and educational toy. The eraser is large and smooth, making it easy for kids to clear their drawings. Its ergonomic shape is designed for little hands to grip comfortably. Made with high-quality, non-BPA plastic and featuring rounded edges, this drawing board is safe for kids. The curved pen tip also prevents potential injuries during playtime. What we like. This drawing board provides a large space for your child to create. The stamps are magnetized so they won't get lost. If you want a mess-free and reusable drawing experience, this is the one. It's great for kids aged 3 and up who love to doodle and draw. What people say. The colors show up so much brighter. The 4 different shaped stamps are well made with a magnet attached to each one and has a holder for each magnet. The best feature is the fact that the shape accessories do not fall out when you carry board from room to room due to magnetism. They hold in place. Love this product. Number 3. ScribbleDo 9 by 12 Magnetic Dry Erase Board. This lightweight board is easy for kids to carry around. It's perfect for interactive learning at school or even at home. You can also use it as a memo board on the fridge. Made with high-quality materials, this board is built to last. The smooth surface makes it easy to write on and erase. It's designed for repeated use. This magnetic whiteboard is a great educational tool for kids. It's a fun and easy way for them to practice their writing skills. It's suitable for home, school, and even the office. With its colorful frame, this board offers plenty of space for writing and drawing. It's great for teaching drawing, spelling, and more. It's also a perfect travel essential. This whiteboard can be used over and over again. It helps kids save paper and be more environmentally friendly. It's a great choice for the planet. Take this board with you on the go. It's a great travel accessory for kids ages 3 and up. Use it as a to-do list or for personal notes. What we like. This magnetic board is designed to be easily portable, making it perfect for on-the-go fun. It is also reusable, helping to save paper. If you are looking for a fun and educational tool that can be used at home or in the classroom, consider this. It's ideal for kids who are learning to write and draw. What people say. The blank boards combined with freeform letters, numbers, and illustrative figures, bought separately, encourage imagination and creativity. The boards are well made with rounded corners and relatively flat, non-injurious joints for the edge and corner pieces. The combination of the dry erase whiteboard and magnetic feature is convenient. Number 2. Tabletop magnetic easel and whiteboard with 4 markers. This double-sided whiteboard provides ample space for drawing and writing. It's perfect for educational magnets and creative expression. The large size offers plenty of room for kids to explore their artistic talents. Designed as an easel, it's perfect for tabletop fun. It's self-standing and folds flat for easy storage. Minimal adult assembly is required, making it convenient for parents. We ensure you receive the product in perfect condition. That's why the packaging is durable and super strong. You can be sure it will arrive damage-free and intact. Cleaning is simple, just write, wipe, and reuse. For the best results, use a dry paper towel. It's designed for repeated use, making it a great tool for learning and play. This small whiteboard saves desktop space and is easy to carry. You can put it in your bag and take it everywhere. It's ideal for students and small group classrooms. It's the perfect gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. This art easel encourages creativity and imagination. It's a great way to inspire young artists. What we like. This whiteboard features a 2-sided design and a convenient tabletop easel. It's lightweight and easy to move around. If you want a versatile drawing and writing surface that's easy to store, this is a great option. It's perfect for kids who love to create and learn. What people say. It comes with markers and is easy to erase. It has 2 sides so multiple people can draw at the same time. Magnetic works and will hold 5mm laminated vocabulary cards easily, a great product. Oh, and it also erases clean. I hate when boards just smear smudge when erased and this doesn't. Number 1. INNOCHEER magnetic letters and numbers for toddlers. This kit includes colorful magnetic letters and numbers for toddlers. It features uppercase and lowercase letters, along with math symbols. It also comes with a dry erase marker and an eraser. The board has a large surface, perfect for writing words, sentences, and solving math problems. It has a magnetic dry erase side and a magnetic chalkboard side. It's a great way for your child to learn and display their work. This letter magnets is a multi-purpose toy. It's suitable for use at home, in classrooms, and during travel. It's a favorite among teachers, parents, and kids alike. The materials used in this magnetic board and alphabet magnets are non-toxic and safe. The product is designed to be high quality and safe for children. It's also a great drawing board for toddlers. The product is packaged in a colorful box, making it a great gift. It's perfect for preschool kids, children, and toddlers learning the alphabet. It's also a great idea for homeschool or classroom supplies. What we like. This set includes magnetic letters and numbers, perfect for early learning. It features both a dry erase and a chalkboard surface. If you are looking for a comprehensive learning tool that combines writing and drawing, this is a great choice. It's ideal for toddlers and preschoolers who are learning their ABCs and numbers. What people say. Here you get 2 capitals and 5 lowercase of every letter. They're made of sturdy foam. The magnet layer covers the entire back of each letter, not just a tiny choking hazard of a piece. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.